Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to practice the day 6 of our 7 days yoga challenge of Chakrasana. The weather is very cloudy today. I really hope that I can complete this shoot because the 6th day of practice is very important. And now you have to complete, before you start this, you have to start from the day 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remember 5 is very important. You have to relax yourself with the stretches. And then day 6. Then you will be ready for day 7 of a complete yoga Chakrasana, and before that do not try to get into Chakrasana by yourself. Let's get started. Alright, so now both the hands together. Now inhale up, exhale. Try not to keep your spine flat, okay? Push your stomach out and drop your hand in between both the heels. Just touch and come back. Touch and come back. Touch. See, when you're dropping your hand down, you can feel a good stretch in the back. Come back. Inhale, stretch. Come back. Now we're going to stay in the posture for at least 3 counts, okay? Inhale up, exhale. See, you're not really going too down, or you're keeping your spine straight. You're creating an arch here and you're dropping your hand, one hand down at a time, and another hand can be relaxed either on the waist or on the stomach. 3, 2, keep breathing, 1 and center. Same thing the other side. Inhale up, exhale, drop it down, open up your chest. 3, 2, 1. Child posture. Drop your head down. Now from here come to Parvatasana. Heels together and try to keep your heels on the floor, knee tight and straight. From here get your right leg in between both the palms. See, I am coming to almost full plank, which will help me to keep my foot in between both the palms. And then drop your knee then and there, toe pointing out. Slowly keep your both the hands on your knee. You need a good balance here. You can practice it closer to the wall where you have a good balance, where you can take a help of the wall if you are losing the balance. Now push your hip down as possible, closer to the floor. Now lift your both the hands up straight. Now you're going to create an arch. As far as possible, you're going to give a back bend and then you're going to come back. And exhale down. When you are giving an arch, you need a lot of focus because there is a chance that you can easily lose your balance. So just focus on your spine, focus on your knee which is on the floor, take all the help and then give a good back bend and then you can come back. Take your leg back to Parvatasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Get your other leg in between both the palms. Drop your knee down. Push your knee forward. So the more you push your front knee forward and you go down, you'll have a better balance. Okay. Now you're going to give a stretch to the spine. So the more you give a back bend, the more you'll feel the stretch in your spine. But then you remember, you need to have a good balance. Do not lose your balance. Inhale up. Keep going back. Slowly bend forward. Take your leg back to Parvatasana again. So that stretch was kind of a deep stretch again. Then you make sure that you relax your spine. Try to keep your spine in a straight line. Bend your knee a little. Lift your heel up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we are switching for our shoulder strengthening. From here, focus. Try to bend your elbow here. Okay, you're going to bend your elbow, drop your chest down and you're going to swing. So whole body, you just lift your body up with the help of your shoulder. Once again, try to bend your elbow here itself and have a good control. Swing. Okay, once again. If this is difficult for you, get back to your Ashtanga, knee down, chest down. Here we are not dropping our knee down initially. We are just trying to balance the whole body from here down. See, I am dropping my knee down only in the end. Inhale and exhale. Last one more time. Before we go down to child posture, we will just try once again. Look forward, bend your elbow closer to the floor, and you are going to lift your chest up. So make sure that when you are just swing, you don't drop your knee down, because the moment you drop your knee down, your body will have a lot of comfort level. So you will be resting on your knee, not on your shoulder. So your shoulder will be relaxed. So make sure that you just go down with the help of your shoulders, just like try to give a swing and then come up. And after this, I am sure your shoulder will be a bit tiring. Then just try to relax a bit. To the back and to forward. Okay, come to Parvatasana once again. Here, bend your knee, spine. Try to keep your spine straight. Let your chest touch the thigh. Hold 3, 2, 1. Come to full plank. We are going to hold here in full plank for next 10 counts. This is for your shoulder and your arms. Hold. 3, sorry, from 10 to 1. We will start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Child posture. Relax in child posture for about like 10 to 15 seconds, and whatever you saw, the full plank, try to do maximum numbers, at least like 2 to 3 sets, because full plank and the half plank will really help you to build up your shoulder as well as your arm strength, which you need for your Chakrasana. From here, we will move forward. We will lie down on our back. Keep your spine relaxed, shoulder relaxed, both the palm facing down. Engage your stomach. Now, focus on your lower back, okay, and your pelvic region. You are going to try to lift your spine out as much as possible. So, without moving your chin, your chest should come to your chin. Let us see how to practice that. Now, lift up. See, the chin is closer to the chest now. Exhale down. Try to push your hip out. You can feel a deep arch in your lower back. Exhale down. Lift up. Now, give a support from your both the hands below the spine, okay, not really just to the spine, to the sides. Just try holding yourself up. This is something which will help you to stay here for long, especially if you are a beginner. This will give you a balance to hold here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly lift your spine up, release. For about 5 seconds, keep your entire spine on the floor and just observe. Take a deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Now, we will practice once again, okay. Now, we will lift our spine up. Focus on your thighs, push your thighs out as if you are moving your both the legs up. Interlock your both the fingers below the hip and keep your elbows straight. Take your shoulders in. Now just hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want to make it more challenging, you can also lift your knee up and down, up and down. But then when you are lifting your knee up, you make sure that your hip is not coming down. You are holding it here as high as possible. Few repetitions and then slowly drop it down. Bend your both the knee to the chest. Relax your spine, round your shoulder. Take a deep breathe in, deep breathe out. This is amazing right now because such an amazing wind and this weather looks like this moment is made for yoga practice. I really hope you also can find something like this when you practice. Whatever tiredness you have, it just like goes away with the wind and you feel extremely relaxed. Now slowly drop your heels down. Drop your both the knee to the right and to the left. To the right, keep your both the hands to shoulder level and to the left. Center. Slowly turn towards your right side. Push the floor away from you and you can sit up. So today I did not want to keep it a really long video. I wanted to keep it very short because you have to practice from the day 1 to day 6 for you to reach day 7 of our final Chakrasana. And try not to stress yourself. If there is someone whose spine is extremely stiff and if they think they cannot do Chakrasana in 7 days, because normally if your spine is normal, if it's not extraordinary tight, you should be able to do Chakrasana. And better than me, you know what is your body capacity, right? Do not force yourself. I know that all of you want to practice Chakrasana, it's a nice posture, you will feel great with your spine, but then nothing is more important than your health and your strength, right? So you see, you try how much ever you can. If you think something is very difficult, it might take more than 7 days, that's absolutely fine. If you can do it in 10 days, 15 days, it's fine. Make sure that after 4th day, 5th day you take a break and then again you try for next 4th day. I always say enjoy your journey than the destination, enjoy your practice than the final asana, because once you get the final asana, it is just done. So instead of that, you focus on your practice, see what changes do you feel, see what do you get to know about your body. I really hope that you get to know your body well and then you practice safely at home. Thank you so much.